Avec Moduevo,
With Maquet Moduevo, we have been able to set up a department for the staff that facilitates patient treatment. Previously, we had fixed wall solutions, and now all the devices we use in our daily work have been centralized onto the ceiling pendant system. Our working conditions have improved significantly, and we are now able to react quickly and safely in the case of an emergency. Being close to the equipment we use every day makes things a lot easier, and yes, the staff can react much more promptly if a patient has to be ventilated.
Voilà.
This medical unit has enhanced patient treatment simply by the fact that we have more space available around the patient, and gaining space means better patient access. What we like about this system is that the equipment no longer remains on the floor, and that we benefit from a more ergonomic position to ensure easy patient access in the case of an emergency or just for normal treatment.
We selected these ceiling pendant systems to accommodate the ventilators in order to save space on the floor and to easily access the system in the patient room. With Maquet Moduevo, it is easy to install the screen from the ventilator onto the front of the pendant and the mechanical parts on the rear, gaining both space and better access to the devices. We found Maquet Moduevo much more efficient and reliable than other systems, offering improved access to patients and the possibility to add numerous accessories. This was also the case from a hygienic point of view, where we find this system much better than others we looked at. This system allows easy ergonomic positioning of accessories. Through its versatility and modularity, accessories can easily be added and moved in line with changing needs.
Le choix des donuts, quand on nous les a présentés.
We found the cable donuts very appealing, as we were looking for an installation setup with a minimum amount of cables snaking along the floor and around the patient.
Autour du patient, et ce principe-là où les câbles sont enroulés et masqués.
With fully enclosed cables, we found these donuts a very good aesthetic and hygienic solution, and also very easy to clean.
Un accessoire qui est très facile à entretenir.
To realize this project, we have been working with the Gettinga team, and we have very much appreciated their cooperation in terms of the flexibility to design a setup that corresponds exactly to our needs.
At night, we wish to keep the patients sleeping. Therefore, it is good that small lights are positioned at the bottom of the pendant. While we have to complete our tasks during our night shift, we do not have to turn on the main lights. This means a better night's rest and enhanced comfort for the patient, as we want to disturb the patient as little as possible.